Mr. Alex.
Jouvens.
Welcome to Creole Garden.
Thank you so much. Thank you for having me.
Come on in.
All right.
So we're so excited to hear more about Fonkoze. Tell us all about it.
Thank you, Jouvens. Thank you, Jason, for having me today to commemorate Fonkoze 30th anniversary.
Yeah, that's a wrap.
Thank you so much. Fonkoze is a family of 3 organizations. Fonkoze Foundation, Fonkoze Financial Services, and Fonkoze USA. Fonkoze Foundation is a Haitian NGO that has been working for 30 years all over the 10 departments of Haiti, providing very significant work to help people, the poorest of the poor, through diverse programs.
So you guys are more in the rural areas of Haiti.
We've been working more in the rural areas of Haiti, and we are connected by the same mission, which is to alleviate poverty in Haiti.
This is well needed.
Indeed. So what are we cooking, guys?
My mom, who is an avid cook, she cooked everything, but the best thing that I will say that she makes that always wakes up my soul is legumes. And she supported us with everything that we need in the house. So in lieu of her, in lieu of women empowerment, I'm making legumes today. Chef Jason, what you got going on?
So for me today, I'm making poisson brossel. Same thing with my mom. She used to, first Sunday of the month, she would make sure that we have food. She would invite the sisters from church to come over, have this nice dinner with us, with du riz blanc, sauce pois blanc. Exactly.
Wow.
Nice. Yeah.
Hey everybody, go support Fonkoze. Fonkoze's main mission is to alleviate poverty in Haiti. You can have all the info through the website www.fonkoze.org. Go support